Hello guys, this is Muhammad from How to PC. Today I walk you through how to download remote server administration tool for Windows 10. This step is very easy. I will put the link in the description below. After you go to Microsoft Office website to download the remote server administration tool for Windows, you will select the language you want. I will select English and click download. You choose your operating system type is 64 bits or 32 bits. After that, when you check your operating system, go to next in top right in the bottom right corner. Click next, and you see it download automatically. If not download clicking, go to click here to download manually. After you download, double click on it and wait for a second. Click yes and accept the true and go and wait for a second until installation is finished. I'm already installed it. He make update. Perhaps that you see the different screen. You need just to accept the term and next and next and install. We pop a windows like that and wait until the download finish. This may take time. That's depending on internet connection. You see, we successfully install the remote server administration tool for Windows 10. And this video for today. Hope helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.